What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can upload high resolution photo or videos on your Instagram. So let's get started. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Instagram account. So after opening the Instagram, I'm going to post a photo. What you need to do, you have to click on this plus bar icon. Okay, now you have to select a photo or video to upload. I'm going to upload this video. After selecting your photo or video, what you need to do, you have to click on next. Okay, so there is bunch of options. You have to write your description, tag people and add your location for your post. So after doing all the steps here, what you need to do, you have to click on more option. Then you have to scroll a little bit down here. Now you can see here is the option called media upload quality. So this is the important thing, guys. What you need to do, you have to make sure this option is turned on. Upload at highest quality, you have to make sure this option is turned on. So after turning it on, you can go back and you can share your post. Now your post will be shared at the highest resolution on Instagram. I hope you guys find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.